Judging from the activity on my website, MTS seems to be a big problem for many users. This is a short video that shows how to convert MTS files to DVD compliant files. Here's my camera capture, which I'm going to take and convert into a DVD file. I first start by extracting the soundtrack using GoldWave. Quite often there is extraneous sounds on the soundtrack which I want to eliminate. I copy a piece of the defective sound and then insert silence where I don't want the sound to be. This still leaves the background noise in my narration. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to use noise reduction and use the clip that I previously copied in order to eliminate the background noise in the narration. There. Now my file has been edited, and now I will save it to a WAV file. Go Save As, and now navigate to the location where your MTS file resides. And I saved the file to the same name as my MTS file. That's it. My audio file has been edited. You can now see that we have both an MTS file and a WAV file. Now I will open up TMPG, my video encoder. First I will browse to the location where my MTS file resides. And when I open the folder, I do not see the MTS file, and it is necessary to put star.mts and then click the open button in order to see the MTS file. Now I'll browse to the location of my audio source and open that file also. Now, there are many templates for many different types of output, but I want to load the output template for DVD NTSC. Okay, now I'll make my settings for my output. The first thing to do is click the Advanced tab, and under Video Arrange method, select Full Screen, Keep Aspect Ratio. Then I can click on Clip Frame, and I will see the video as it is going to be output. I have the settings from a previous session in, so I will click Default to erase these settings. As you can see, the video is being displayed letterboxed, as the aspect of the MTS file does not match that of a DVD compliant output. I give the new output a distinctive name so that I will recognize it. In this case, I'm going to call it 720-480 letterboxed, because it will have black letterboxing at the top and bottom of the screen in order to make the MTS aspect fit. Go to the top of the screen and click Start. The encoding will now progress. This particular video is 627 frames, so that is approximately 21 seconds. Now, many times, instead of having my output video letterboxed, I want to have it full screen. But as The MTS format is not the same aspect as a DVD compliant file. It is necessary to use your settings and clip frame to adjust the aspect of the output. In order to make MTS match the DVD compliant output, it is necessary to subtract 440 pixels from the horizontal aspect. Now all we have to do is click OK, and we want to give the new output a significantly different name. In this case, we will call it full screen. Click the start button and the encoding will start. As you can see, the output is now in the full screen mode with 220 pixels cropped from each side of the image in order to make the NTSC image fit into the DVD compliant format. As you can see, here are the files that we have created. Here's my original camera file, which is an MTS file. Here is the WAV file that was edited to remove the extraneous background noise. Here is a letterbox 720-480 MPEG for DVD, and here is a full screen 720-480 for DVD. In less than 6 minutes, we have created a DVD compliant MPEG.